Hello and welcome to Ajuba Tech. Let's learn about project management. In the simple words, project management is act of making any viable idea from concept to life, and with series of actions and activities that are initiating, planning, executions, monitor, closure, and handover or launching it to the customer. So good question is, why do we need it? And what are the examples? It's important because it helps ensure that desired outcome is achievable, provide visibilities on what are the costs to get it done, what are the benefits, and also monitor what are the risk, issues, getting it delivered on time, under budget, managing vendor and third-party contractor and management reporting. Examples of projects are building construction, software development, business continuity efforts, expansion of business to another location. For example, opening a new branch for a business unit which involves one or multiple projects. Let's get into some details on what are the project management or project delivery life cycle. As I mentioned earlier, that project is managed through different series of actions, so I will quickly explain here what those in brief. To manage a project there are different phase gates or stage gates. Once an idea has been captured, discussed, agreed and turned out as a meaningful goal, we do the project phasing as per the project life cycle. For example, from phase 1, start of the project to phase 5 or last phase, closure of the project, and project manager play a key role to manage other aspects of the project. Let's find out what are these phases. Phase 1 initiation or feasibility. The outcome of this phase provides high-level view on project cost, benefits, resources, key risk and issues, key stakeholders, and the key documentations, for example, create business case, defining project goals, create and complete the project charter. Phase 2 is planning or design and build. In this phase project manager create detailed project plan, setting project budget baseline to pens out the cost, defining project scope, defining project roles and responsibilities, etc. Phase 3 is execution or implementation. In this phase project manager start producing the solution as per the project plan. For example, allocating resources to perform tasks, managing resource, for example, timesheet management, new resource hiring, etc., build the product or process, mitigating the risk, resolving issues, generating and updating project status report and key documents, etc. Phase 4 monitor. This phase is marked at 4th place. However, some of the key activities of this phase are being performed after planning phase to ensure project is on track. For example, monitor project progress, tracking resource effort and cost, ensuring project is on track as per the plan, etc. Phase 5 completions. This is the final stage of the project where PM prepare for closing down the project. Key tasks are revision of project deliverables, UAT sign-off, completing all the relevant documents. For example, if the project goal was to be opening another bank branch, so project manager would ensure that all the key tasks as per the project scope have been completed, all the risks, issues and action items have been closed, business users have been provided with the relevant document and accesses to the system, building, etc., and PM received their acceptance in writing to move it to closure. And finally, handover, launching it or going live, as per the plan, handing over to the business or its users, detailed handover task list is completed and signed off by business. Congratulations! New branch is now open for all their customers and project has now been completed successfully. So, this was the project and how it has been managed. Before I go, I would like to add one more thing. It's about project governance and assurance process, which is also applied and followed in many companies and organizations, and it's important and useful. Project governance and assurance ensure when project is following best practices and complying with its project delivery methodology according to the company policy and procedures, and all of project's phases, start to finish. have been signed off by relevant team or by key stakeholder. In the next video, I will share details on different methodology of managing project, for example, agile ways of working, waterfall project management, and project governance. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out latest updates and videos. See you later in the next video.